In this video, I will explain to you why working with a pen tablet is better than using a mouse. But before moving ahead, if you are new to this channel, do hit the subscribe button and click the notification bell icon to never miss an update. So a major reason to get a pen tablet over a mouse for creating any kind of artwork is ergonomics. When you work with a graphic tablet, you get to hold the pen more naturally than compared to how your hand holds the mouse. It is almost same as drawing with a real pen or pencil. The next biggest advantage that a pen tablet provides is pressure sensitivity. A mouse basically has a switch that gets clicked every time you press the button. It is either in on or off position, which means when clicked it will draw and when you leave the button it will stop drawing. On the other hand, the pen tablet gets pressure sensitivity function, which means you can vary the size and opacity of the brush depending how hard or light you are pressing the pen. Let's check this out using an example. I will be using the same brush without changing its size or opacity settings. If I use the mouse to draw some basic shapes, the lines will appear to be of the same size and of the same opacity. Now if I create the same shapes with a pen tablet, you can see that I have more control over the size and the opacity of the brush. Yes, I could try and achieve similar results with the mouse, but it will be a very time-consuming process. Pressure sensitivity helps, especially during creating hatch lines or painting. If I try to create hatch lines with the mouse, it simply looks like I am filling color inside the shape. However, check the difference pressure sensitivity makes. Similarly for coloring, with the mouse I just have a single level of opacity, but using a graphic tablet I can control the opacity based on the pressure I use. A pen tablet also allows you to make precise marks with speed. Let me explain you this with an example. If I try to fill in some color in this small area with a mouse, you can see that it takes a lot of time and effort. However, when I switch to the pen tablet, I can do the same task with much ease and faster as well. This overall improves your efficiency, which means you can create more in less time. A pen tablet or a graphic tablet isn't just meant for creating digital artworks. You can also use it for photo editing, video editing, you can take notes, use it for online teaching, and also for 3D modeling. The latest generation models now also support mobile phones, which means now you have the freedom to create even on your smartphones that don't get a stylus. I have covered the most important points about why a pen tablet is better than a mouse. But do you need the most expensive tablet to create the best artwork? The answer to that is no. You can create impressive work even with the most basic one. I personally use a medium-sized 1x Wacom pen tablet, which is like an entry-level model. It's been more than 7 years since I have been using it to create my digital car sketches and renders. These days, there are a lot of options to choose when it comes to buying a graphic tablet. You can either get the most basic one like I have, or buy something better which has more features such as more pressure sensitivity, shortcut buttons, touch feature and more. Then there are the premium ones where you can directly draw on the screen. It totally depends on the work you plan to do with it and what your budget allows. So hope I was able to provide you some knowledge about why investing in a graphic tablet might be a good idea if you plan to start creating digital art. Do note that it is your skills that matter, so work towards improving them. The graphic tablet is just a tool to help you work more efficiently. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, then do hit the like button and don't forget to share it. I'll see you in a new video soon. Till then, stay safe and keep creating.